Welcome to another episode of Unboxed. My name is Rich, and today I just received in from Amazon the Comica CV-WM100 48-channel wireless lavalier system. I'm looking forward to getting this unboxed so we can review it and also see how it compares to what I have been using, the Rode New Shooter kit, which is what I'm using right now. And maybe if we have some time, I'll even see how it compares to the Wireless Go from Rode as well. So let's get this unboxed and check it out. All right, now that we got the box open, inside we see the Comica CV-WM100 multi-channel UHF wireless microphone. So this is operating on the UHF band. It says it has a 100-meter working distance. Some of the features it says on the back of the box here are multiple channels for several devices working together, a working range up to 100 meters without staccato, 100 meters in an open area, 60 meters in area with obstacles, local audio test and transmitter end, local real-time audio status monitor and receiver end, real-time audio monitor, RF signal strength adjusted in transmitter end, muting mode, and a lattice LCD display that has high resolution. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get this out of the box. And I can already tell, I think this also comes with a carry case. And this thing comes really sealed nicely. It's got a couple more pieces of tape here. All right, that's one. That's two. I've noticed everything from Comica is always really packaged very nicely, and this one is no different. All right, so let's get this box open and check this thing out. So inside the box, we have the ever wonderful carry case. Comica seems to put carry cases in a lot of their items and products. In the front pouch, it has an audio cable. It has some adapters, XLR adapter, and another audio cable. It also has this is one of the lavaliers. I can feel that. And this is a belt clip. This is a cold shoe mount. And this feels like some dead cats, so little wind muffs. Let's see what's in the main pouch. So inside the main pouch, we are greeted with the ever-loving manual and the two units. This is the receiver, and this is the transmitter. They are very light. I wasn't expecting them to be this light. Oh, what kind of batteries do they take? Oh, I gotta go run out and buy some AA's. While I'm waiting to get some batteries, let's check out what is inside the bags here. So I believe this to be the actual lavalier cable, and if I can get it out of this plastic, it is. This is the lavalier for this kit. Very nice. Nice little foam on there. It seems to be quite big though. It's a large head on here. This is an audio adapter, an audio cable. Okay, so this one in this bag is an XLR to 1/4-inch adapter. If I was using a different mic, I don't need this right now, so I'm not going to take it out. The belt clip I will take out because I will be putting that onto the back of the transmitter. And oh, there's two of them. Okay, one for the receiver, one for the transmitter. So the way I see this mounts on here is on the sides here. It looks like it just grasps on. Oh, I see. There's a little hole here. So it just goes into the hole there. That's how it mounts, and it seems to be a very secure clip as well. So be very careful when you mount the belt clip in, or you will scratch the heck out of this plastic casing. I noticed it scratches very easily, and I just scratched a little bit while I was putting this on here, trying anyway. So now I have the belt clip mounted to the receiver and the transmitter. Nice little display screen on here. Batteries go inside. I'm going to take the batteries out of my Rode News Shooter kit and put this into the Comica transmitter, mount this to the camera, and give it a test. One more thing I wanted to show really fast was the display. And you can see that it has the audio meter, it has the frequency and channels, and the volume level, the signal strength, and the battery level. And this is on the receiver, which is a lot of information that we actually can find useful. And on the transmitter side, we can see the same thing. We can see the audio level, the channel, the battery level, and the signal strength. So that's a pretty cool use of the display. Okay, so now I've gone ahead and taken the batteries out of my Rode News Shooter kit, and I have placed them into the Comica CV-WM100, and I have mounted the lavalier microphone here on my shirt, and it seems to be working very well. What you're listening to right now is the microphone from the Comica CV-WM100. I'm going to unscrew it, unplug it, and put in the lavalier from the Rode News Shooter kit. Okay, so now you are listening to the Rode lavalier from the News Shooter kit. How does it sound? Do you hear any difference at all? The microphones are pretty close together. I've got the Rode right here and the Comica right here. This is the Rode News Shooter lavalier. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. This is the Rode News Shooter lavalier that comes with the News Shooter kit. I am going to unplug it and put the Comica one back. Okay, so now you are listening to the Comica lavalier that comes with this kit. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. This is the Comica CV-WM100. Okay, so right now I have the Rode News Shooter kit on my shirt, as well as the Wireless Go. I'm holding the transmitter in my hand right now, but I'm going to put it over by the camera and plug it in a moment. This is what the News Shooter kit sounds like from Rode. And now I'm going to plug the Wireless Go in, and we can see what that will. Check, check. Okay, so now you are hearing me from the built-in microphone on the Wireless Go. How does it sound? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. This is the Wireless Go from Rode. Now it seems to be the thing that everyone does, a range test of some sort where they just walk away from the camera. And I think we've already established pretty well that, well, if I turn around, it's going to cut out because this system seems to be more line of sight than any other one that I've ever seen. So if I continue to keep backing up while I'm facing the camera, the signal is still making it to the camera. I'm going to walk to the water's edge and I'm going to turn around and walk backwards. But I believe the minute I turn around, I'm going to lose my signal because the transmitter is here on my shirt in front. As soon as I lose that line of sight, I think it's going to cut out. So I am almost by the water. I'm not exactly sure how many feet this is, but now I'm going to turn around. Can you hear me when I turn around? But when I turn around, does it come back? This is the Rode Wireless Go. The Rode Wireless Go. Is it cutting out? Did it cut out? Okay, so now I have the Comica microphone in. I have it in my front pocket. I'm going to walk towards the water to see if there are any dropouts. And I'm going to walk backwards towards the water. It's under 50 feet, maybe 30 feet or so. So I don't think I'm going to have any issues. Then I'm going to turn around and I'm going to walk back just to see if it drops out at all. So this is the Comica CVM-WM100. And I don't believe I'm going to have any issues at all with the audio dropping out, unlike the Rode Wireless Go, which the minute you turn around seems to cut out completely. As you have to have 100% line of sight with that unit, but I don't believe that's going to be the case for this Comica, which is actually pretty cool, especially since they are almost exactly the same price. But you know, they're different form factors. This is a little bit bigger. This is more comparable to the Rode New Shooter Kit than it is the Wireless Go. Okay, I've reached the water. I should still have a signal. I'm going to turn around now, and I'm turned around and I'm heading backwards. I'm hoping I still have a signal, no problem. I am going to recite the alphabet, A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Can you still hear me? So now I'm about halfway. Did it cut out at all? I'm not sure, but I doubt it. I don't think this one's gonna have cut out whatsoever. This is the Comica CV-WM100 wireless lavalier. What do you guys think? I'm going to check it out and let you know my opinion, but right now I like it quite a bit. There's a couple of things I think that could be better about it, and I'll tell you that right now. Actually, I think the build quality is, for the price, it's good, but this plastic is scratched very easily. I mean, I scratched it just putting the clip on here, and you know, I mean, I don't know if that should have been not so easy to scratch. Also, I found that you have to be careful when you put the battery in, because this battery clip, if you're not careful, can pop out. I mean, it's not gonna pop out, but as long as you don't put it in incorrectly, I don't believe there's going to be a problem. I mean, it's not coming out, so that's really good. Now, let's just test it. I'm going to tap on the transmitter. Is there any body noise? You know, we don't want any of that. What about wire noise? I don't want any wire noise. I think this is probably really awesome, and for the price, it can't be beat. I mean, coming with all of this stuff and the case. I mean, when I bought the New Shooter, it didn't come with a case. That cost me an extra like $60 or something like that. So this is definitely much more of a bargain, and if it sounds similar, this can't be beat. So right now, I'm going to say that this Comica CV-WM100 gets a full thumbs up from me. If you are on a budget and you need a lavalier system, this one is fantastic, actually. Thanks for checking out my video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, stay tuned for more from me, and I'll see you soon. Thanks.